Before we move to the next session, I want to give you the overview of the retail business process model, which will give you the glimpse of everything that happens in a retail business. This process model consists of 5 major stages. These stages are corporate strategies, the buying and planning function, then we have movements of the goods, we have sales of the goods, and then we have enterprise services. So this whole model is defined from strategy, planning and buying, moving the goods, selling the goods, and enterprise services. Coming down to strategy part, it is where the corporate strategies, the customer strategies, the brand strategy, the portfolio strategy, channel strategy, and formally the format strategies are defined. Think about it is the first step when you are going to start your new retail business. The second one is planning and marketing, where retailers start by forecasting customer demand, planning products, and designing market campaigns. Then move to fulfill, where products move through warehouses, distribution center, logistics to reach to the store and customers. Then we have sale, where the stores sell products, run promotions, and deliver customer service every single day. And then we have support services or enterprise services, which works behind the scene, finance, HR, IT, legal, and operation teams continuously making sure that business is compliant and profitable. The cycle starts again and again for anything that we do. Now, I'm hoping that you would be able to connect what we have talked in the beginning, which is about merchandising, which is about supply chain management, store operation, supporting function, and strategy. Now, this slide is linking all those together. I want to give you a quick example. Now imagine that you are buying a jacket at Zara store months before the merchandising and the buying teams planned that particular jacket that you're going to buy. Supply chain teams make sure that it was delivered to the store on time. The store team made sure that it was displayed attractively. Marketing team tempted you with the ads and promotion, and after you bought it, finance tracked the whole cycle in sale. And customer service supported your loyalty pod. That's a retail business process model in action, which is smooth, seamless, and customer focused. I hope that I just wanted to give the glimpse of what's coming on our way in across when we get into the deep dive, get into the deeper part of the sessions. Now that you understand the fundamentals, get ready to deep dive into the real world skills that retailers demand today. In the upcoming modules, we will cover retail store operations and management in much deeper. Now, let's get a glimpse of what's coming next. That you have understand the fundamentals, get ready to deep dive into the real world skills that retailers demand today and going to get your job. In the upcoming modules, we will cover retail stores, operations and management in much details, the visual merchandising, store layout principles and design, supply chain inventory management in details, pricing, promotion and sales strategies, complete retail finance and profitability management, e-commerce and omnichannel retailing, in AI analytics in emerging retail technologies from the modern retail perspective. And that's not the end. There's much more coming on the way. I'm confident that by the end of this training, you will have the knowledge about the frameworks and the confidence to lead in the retail industry, whether in the physical stores, e-commerce, or future digital channel. So stay focused, stay curious, and let's continue building your retail mastery step by step. See you in the next module. Until then, thank you.